Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. What is Tiffin bomb? The new security threat in Punjab. A new security was has emerged in Punjab in the form of tiffin bombs ahead of the festive seasons and assembly elections. In the last 2 months, 5 such tiffin bombs were being recovered in different parts of Punjab. Police sources say a major tragedy has been averted due to prompt response by the cops based on specific intelligence. On Thursday, Punjab police claimed to have busted a terror module backed by Khalistan Tiger Force. 3 operatives were arrested with a tiffin bomb from Bikwing village of Taran district, which is located nearly 10 km from the Indian-Pakistan border. The police also recovered a consignment of arms and explosives consisting of 2 pistols, 1 grenade, and a packet of containing explosives near Chungan village, all of which were dropped using a drone. There have been last 8-9 tiffin bombs recovered in Punjab. This is a tragedy by Pakistan to escalate violence in the state and cause communal tensions, a senior Punjab police officer said. These tiffin bombs are made in Pakistan, the signature of fabricature, and with the Khalistan network. The bombs have RTX, which are well fabricated with proper foundry casting, top sources in the NCG told India Today. One of the first such tiffin bombs was recovered on August 8 from the village in Amritsar. Hand grenades and 100 rounds of 9mm pistol ammunition were also recovered. Automobile sector emergency exists. In just 24 years of its operation, not too long for an auto manufacturer, Ford Motor Company of the US has decided to exit India. Not that those years were a smooth ride for the iconic maker of cars like Model T, Thunderbird, and Mustang. While Ford found big success in Indian models such as the Icon, Endeavour, EcoSport, others like the Mondeo and Fusion did not do well. The company had posted accumulated operating losses of over $2 billion, around rupees 1700 crore, and the demand for its vehicle was low. According to Ford India President and MD Anurag Mehrotra, the company could not find a sustainable path to long-term profitability. In meeting with PM Modi, US VP Kamala Harris Suomotu refers to Pak's role in terrorism. In a Ramadan meeting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday, US Vice President Kamala Harris Suomotu referred to Pakistan's role in terrorism, asked the country to stop supporting terror groups. Addressing a press briefing, Foreign Secretary Harshvardhan Shringla said when the issue of terrorism came up, the Vice President Suomotu referred to Pakistan's role in that regard. PM Kamala Harris pointed at the need to rein in the closely monitor Pakistan's support for each terror group. Shringla. PM Modi held a meeting with VP Kamala Harris at the White House. The two leaders also jointly addressed the press before the meeting. In his address, PM Modi said, India and America are natural partners. They share similar values and geopolitical interests. VP Kamala Harris said that India was a very important partner to the US and that both nations working together can have profound impact on the world. PM Modi will hold a bilateral meeting with US President Joe Biden and the Quad leaders to meet at the White House at 8:30 p.m. on Friday.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you.